Another big round of applause.
Hawaiian cheerleaders. Yeah!
Step and go. No, wait, boy. Oh yeah, Mama. No, más tarde que la bella, sabes que the white girl. Oh, the white boy. Oh yeah, ugly boy.
Did you ever see three ladies wiggle that much?
Whoa, whoa! Oh,
Down.
Here you go that way first. Step right together, right, and then left together, left. Bend the knees. And this is your base in kaholo. Now we've got our ami, which is our circle of the hips. So just take those circles all the way around. Woohoo! You guys look like you have experience of this, right? Okay, so those are their steps. Now, tell the story. With the story of the hands, we're going to the hukilau. So we're going to thumb over our right. We're going to the hukilau. We've got some nets. We're going to pull nets. Okay, that's your hukilau motion. Everybody loves a hukilau. Everybody, love over your heart. Why do we love it? Because we get to eat. So we're going to take 2 fingers and eat our fish and poi. Good stuff. Okay. Now we've got to catch our fish first, so we're going to throw our nets out into the sea. We'll make some waves. And we have some fish. We're going to put one hand on top of the other and make our fish swim with our phone. Okay, now it's a beautiful day. We'll show the sky overhead. Fishing some more with some fishing poles. The old Hawaiian way. We have our tiki statue. We have our nets out there, so they're swishing in the water. And we're at Laie Bay on Oahu, so we're going to show our bay. Okay, those are all the motions, so we're going to put it all together and do the Luau.
Okay, anybody else who wants to join Sherry and her trip? Anybody? It's really easy. Did you watch her?
It's fun.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We're going to a hooky-dow, hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-dow. Everybody loves the hooky-dow. We're along with the cocoa and the hooky-dow. We'll throw our nets out into the sea, and all the come swim to me. Oh, we're going to a hooky-dow, hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-dow. For the wonderful day of fishing, the old Hawaiian way. All the hooky-dow nets are swishing down in old Laie. Oh, we're going to a hooky-dow, hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-dow.
Doing great.
Everybody loves the hooky-dow. We're along with the cocoa and the hooky-dow. We'll throw our nets out into the sea, and all the come swim to me. Oh, we're going to a hooky-dow, hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-dow. Oh, we're going to a hooky-dow, hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-hooky-dow. Everybody loves the hooky-dow.